Hello, egos. It's Mother Ego here. Today it's about listening. Listening to your words, listening to your thoughts. What is the ripple effect of what you're thinking, what you're saying? If it's negative, you'll feel the negativity in your body, meaning it's going to produce negative results. If it's positive, likewise, it's going to empower you, it's going to energize you and strengthen you, which means in everything you do, this is part of awareness. Think, listen, then speak. Listen, then know whether it's going to be beneficial or not. Otherwise, reframe what you're going to say. Supposing instead of saying, oh, today is a bad day, you can say, I'm going to have a good day. The days get better. I'll be more energized today and tomorrow and forevermore, if that's the case. As always, this is Carol. Listen to your thoughts. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.